Yeah, the eastern boundary of our property. Looking down, you can see our line of Leland cypress. The growth over here has been a bit stunted compared to out in front. Not exactly sure why. It may be that we've had worse soil fertility over here. This entire field that we're looking at was under continuous cultivation, being rotated through tobacco, soybeans, and wheat. I don't know if there's ever any corn in here or any cotton. But the same farmer that worked this field continues to work this field over here. And it was in summer of 2011 that we moved here, and I had my one bottom plow out here, and I tilled up the dirt. I did two turns with that, and then I got my 4-foot tiller and pulverized the soil, and then planted it over to perennial grasses. And during that whole time, all the time that I was out here driving around in circles and flipping dirt over, I saw no earthworms. I saw one ladybug, and the soil just was totally dead. And yeah, I mean, we're out here, it's the middle of February. I'm showing you this now because it'll be that much more impressive when I take some new footage in April, May time frame. I'm still working on getting the fence exactly how I want it. This was a temporary fence. We're looking down at the T-posts, and we'll replace that with a woven wire fence that's stretching out across these posts. We've fairly well got it completed up at this end. Down at the other end, we've got a gate that we've got to put in. And then what we call this is the front 40. And this is actually where we're trying to establish our food forest. This is where we're going to have, strive to have all 7 layers of our permaculture food forest established, with taller trees out here toward the front, looking at perhaps pecan trees, standard sized cherry trees, and then coming toward the front, there's Liddy, coming toward the front, having perhaps some standardized peach trees, some semi-dwarf apple trees, and then toward the front of that, putting up dwarf apple trees, and then we've got plenty of things that we can consider doing between these rows. So it may not be a food forest in the true sense of everything that term means. And then I should say that what you have in there right now that you see for trees, those are black locusts. We took an order of about 100 from, I think it was the North Carolina Forestry Service. Very affordable prices. I think it worked out to being 50 cents a seedling. And we put those in the ground 1 year ago. So as you look through here, straight ahead is the largest one, and it's about 12 feet tall, so very fast growth. And of course, the purpose of the black locust is fix nitrogen, do the chop and drop thing. I picked a really bad day to come out here without any gloves. There's the other stand of Leland cypress. There's Liddy, there's Boo.